Good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook crab stick omelette. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need eggs. The eggs I add black pepper and salt, and then the crab stick, and then butter, and then onions, spring onions, and then tomatoes. And butter, and then we're gonna add okay, the crab stick, yeah, the crab stick, guys. And then the onions, tomatoes, and then onions, guys. Okay, we're gonna add okay, okay guys, like that. Okay, try to do like that. Okay guys, oh look at that one. I'm back. Okay, okay guys. So I'm gonna change the other pot because that pot it's too small and it kanang mainit siya dayon guys. Di siya maayo nga kaha. Dali siya, flip it over, and then okay guys, cute kaayo guys, kaayo guys. Oh. Okay guys, so this one aning transfer ko sa laing nga pot guys, kay dali bati to siya kanang dali ra siya ma okay. Okay guys, okay, so we add onions, tomatoes, and then spring onions. Okay guys, super cute kayo. Maglisod to. Okay guys, oh, super cute din guys. Okay, oh, got that one. And then we're gonna add, okay, and I think it's time to take it out. Okay, okay guys, okay, too small. Okay, okay guys. Okay guys, and more. Okay guys, so it's nice. Okay guys, look at that one. It's easy. Okay, we're gonna move na. Okay guys, oh, it's super cute guys. Okay, we're gonna put it here. Okay, we're gonna put it there. Okay guys, okay. Okay, thank you. Okay guys, this one guys so this is the one that we made and I'm gonna taste it. So this is our crab stick omelette. Okay, so I'm gonna taste it guys. Look at that one. It's yummy guys. It's yummy, our crab stick omelette. It's very easy and it's very yummy. Okay guys, so thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.